Everybody, it's Jay again. I think I'm going to work on this baler and try to get these hydraulic hoses hooked up. The problem is I had a leak the other day. I noticed when I was baling. Let me see if I can get over here to show you. As you can see, I have repaired this hose, this steel line rather, and we had a leak right about where that crook was, right here. And it was real bad pitted. This is a early 80s baler and this original hoses. So instead of having to try to replace this whole line, what I want to attempt to do is just this section right here with compression fittings. And then, since I had original, since the hoses were original, and they ain't in very bad shape, but I've already had to replace the hoses on the other side, I decided to go ahead and replace these as well, since I had to take the lines loose right here. So I went and got me some hoses. They didn't have two straight ends at Napa, so I had to get one with a 90. So it may be fun hooking this joker up. Anyway, let me get started and I'll kind of show you a little bit of the progress as I go along. Okay, I've got the lines hooked up. The only problem I see is this fitting right here that goes to this hose with the 90. I had to loosen it a little bit to get that 90 to line up. So it may leak here. And I've got the hoses hooked up to the tractor. So we'll come over here and fire this tractor up. And so, alright, got the brake on, ready to start. Right up. Over. Don't see no leaks. We'll shut this. Go over here and shut this gate down. We're going to let the lift gate down. And this is where it was spraying at. When I left the lift gate down, that's when it was sprayed. Looks pretty good. Don't see no leaks. Well, I spoke too fast. I moved this baler out of the barn where I could work on outside. And I got to looking, and this fitting right here has got a little bit of a leak. But it's not spraying, it's just seeping. So I'm going to run with it. There ain't no sense in replacing that line, not with a little bitty leak like that. But it kind of pissed me off a little bit.